Hello my dear friends, today I am here to tell you how you can make editable assignments in the Google Classroom app. So as you are looking on the screen, I have three classrooms like class 4, Reader's Nest and class 5. So suppose I want to make a assignment on the Roman numbers for the class 4 students. So here I go. I have clicked on the class option and then there is a tab known as the classwork. So I go there, classwork, and I click on the create option and there is an assignment. Fine. Now assignment title, suppose as I'm telling you, I am creating assignment on the Roman numbers. Fine. So I will type here Roman numbers. Okay. Now next there is a two options, add and create. So first of all I will create that assignment using Google Slides. How? So I will take slides. Now the Google PowerPoint option will open in the next window. Yes, untitled presentation. So I will make it I will give it the name of Roman numbers, like Roman numbers worksheet. Okay, so these are the editable worksheets. The children can solve these worksheets on the computer itself. So what I have to do for that, first of all we will click on the file option. First, this is the first option. First of all we will click on the file option and we move the tab downwards and click on the page setup option. Now we have to customize the screen page setup options to the custom. Fine. And in the custom I will choose a size of 10 by 11. Otherwise standard size is 8.5 and 11 inches, but I will choose 10 by 11 and apply. Now as you are looking, the screen is somewhat changed. Now I will remove these boxes from here. I will choose and click on the delete option, and again I will delete this and click on the delete option. Now see, two things are there. We need not to create the worksheet from the scratch. So I am choosing a background. Because why the background is needed? Because to make these worksheet editable by the students, what we have to do, we have to put our main image or main file in the background so that the students cannot make changes in those contents only. So I will choose a background for this that I have already uploaded in my desktop. So I will click on the choose image and I will click on the browse option, and as the file is on my desktop, so I think desktop option is already chosen out from here. So I will click on the Roman. Yes, Roman 2, Roman 1 I have already made. So I will click on the Roman 2.jpg file and I will open it. Now see what happens. Yes, the process is being finished. Yes, and I click on the done option. Yes, now the sheet has been beautifully uploaded. Now first of all I will tell you what I mean by the background. Now see, if I click here, means I am not able to do any changes on this. So this is what exactly we want for any kind of PDF files, any kind of JPG files, even any kind of Word file, because we are teachers and we can design any kind of file. We are working with the schools for so many years, so we can design any kind of these files. But the option is this, key to make these files editable, we have to choose the background option, right? Now how the students are able to write in these blanks? As you are looking, the blanks are there already. So what I will do, I will click on the text box option. Fine. I will click on the text box option and I will make a text box here. Yes, this is my text box. Now my students can write over here in these boxes, but for that I will yes, I think this is quite readable, so we will choose a pen size over here. Now what I will do, we need not to insert this text box again and again. So I will select it once more and go to Control C and Control V. I'm just clicking on Control C, Control V means go on pasting it all. in the rest of the boxes. Control C, Control V again, and again I will drag this box here. Yes, so we will do like this. After that we have click on all the options. I have make all the text boxes ready. Now what to do next? I will click on the share option, right? I will click on the share option. Yes, I will they are asking for the people to add to get the link, but I will click on the get shareable link. Yes, I will click on the get shareable link. I will click on this button, and as I will click on the button, as you are able to see, link copy to the clipboard. A link will already be copied to the clipboard, and now what I will do, I will go to my classroom tab. I will just go there and I will click on the add option, and I will click on the link. Then I will again do the Control V option and click on the add link button. Yes, now see Roman number worksheet. So I will put a cross on the above sheet, cross, right. Now there is a drop down arrow where the three options are there. Students can view the file, students can edit the files, make a copy for the each student. As I don't want the students to edit the file, I don't want to get them added the original content. So what I will do, I will click on the make a copy for the each student, because in my this classroom there are 99 students. So I will make a copy for the each student. Yes, and now how to do this? This is already saved. See, now I have to assign it to my students. So class 4 all students, points 100 I have marked. Now due date, suppose I give the due date here, means only that day it will be open. So 27th of April I can choose for that, and time is not, I am not putting here. Now what I will do, I will click on the assign button. Yes, after clicking on the assigning button, my this Roman number assignment, see, this is available on the top now. Now I will give a click here. Yes, so Roman number worksheet. So this has been, now what is this? 0 turned in and 28 assigned. Like in this my class 4 there are 28 students, those who have logged in till date, and 0 turned in. As the students are going to do this assignment on the whether on the laptop or whether on their mobiles, so I will get the notification from them like how many students are turned in. So now I think there must be a question in your mind, like how our students can do these worksheets. So I will make a small video tomorrow for this, because on the mobile I have to do this. So but one thing I can do here, so tomorrow I will upload the video like how to access those worksheets, how to access those turned in worksheets, and how we can check it online, because the students are going to love this very much, because they don't have to use their pen and pencil, and it is very easy for us to rectify their errors also, and it is a very good for them, because such kind of worksheets can provide learning outcome as well. We can keep the length of the questions very small, so that the students got engaged in learning more and more. And thanks for watching my video, my dear friends, and I hope you also get benefited from out of all these things. Thanks you so much.